Good evening. Welcome to my vlog. I just came down from the bus. I came from in the church today. I want to buy something in the grocery there. Big Mart. Big Mart. I want to check something food. Came from the church. It's good. I was able to catch the bus, but all my friends not catching the bus. I'm the only one who are able to ride bus 45. This is opposite of WTC. I like the different color of light. Check something in the shop there. See, I'm sleepy. Already tired of it's good I'm done with what I need to do in the embassy today. And the shirt is very cold. That's why I'm wearing long sleeve sweater because it's very cold. The aircon. See,